Okay, this is the boiler. So to switch on the boiler, first press manual and then MA. Okay. Then for the temperature of the tap, you can increase the temperature here or decrease. The best is around 50. Okay. The temperature of the radiator, you can increase the temperature or decrease. The best is around 55. Okay, and then if you want to use the radio thermostat, then you switch off like this, first M/A and then manual, and so you can use this, and in the next video I switch on again the manual, so first this and then this. Okay.